Happy Friday, everyone. Good morning. Hopefully, you guys have had a great week. And if you can believe it, March is almost over. I can't believe it's been one quarter of a year gone already. But anyway, today I'm unboxing four new flavors that I'm going to try with Spice Affair. So I got my toasted sesame ginger, which is the one I was talking about, being able to make your own teriyaki sauce with this. So whatever type of soy sauce you like and a bit of vinegar, put this in with a little bit of water or whatever, however you like to do it. But basically gives you the profile for that, which is awesome. Um, so it does have toasted sesame in it, some honey granulars, so raw brown sugar, and then some black sesame, sea salt, garlic, ginger, coconut and distilled white vinegar powder is in here already. So pretty cool. So that one's a try. Looking to try that one on our pork and our chicken. I also got, of course, a full jar of garlic, granular garlic, of course, pure garlic. Can't wait to try that one because you got to have garlic in the house. And then this is a new flavor. It's Asian fusion. I want to try it out. It seems tasty. Probably should just open it and smell it. But it has peppers, so it's like an Asian Mexican fusion. Oh yeah, you can smell the peppers, kind of Mexican-y that way, but I can get the hint of the umami kind of Asian spice in the background. So you know what? Awesome on chicken, maybe with like kind of like tacos or bao buns or something. So that one sounds pretty awesome for that one. And then the other one I got is Mediterranean chicken, since we do like different formats of chicken. So I thought we'd try this one. And the little thingy doesn't want to come off. Oh, there we go. Yeah, smell bay leaves. What else? I'm not going to say rosemary because that's what it smells like, but it's probably not. And my eyesight is crap when it comes to reading these things. So there you go. Anyway, it's something new for me to try. Oh, paprika. That's what I'm smelling. I don't know why I said rosemary, but anyway, paprika, garlic, sea salt, roasted garlic, black pepper, tomato, which is what I could smell as well, red bell pepper, or oregano. That's probably what I was smelling. Some cayenne pepper, and rosemary. Oh, I was smelling rosemary. Look at that. So nice blend in that one. And yeah, those are the four spice affairs that I got to try out. I just want to thank you to Risa and Katie for giving it a try as well. The other thing I got is some different flavor of the Magic Scoop. I'm going to try this one out. It is the strawberry lemonade, and I got it in stick format. So if anyone out there wants to try it, feel free to let me know and I can mail you out one. Or if I'm seeing you, you can give it a try. It definitely tastes like strawberry lemonade with the added greens behind it. But the cool thing about it, as you can see, like it's not gritty. You just shake it up, drink it up, take it in a shot format, or just drink it out all day, which is what I did yesterday while I was at work. I just kept drinking this all day. Yeah, it gave me a little boost of energy. So yeah, so there we go. Anyway, hopefully everyone is well and having a great time. I'm slow. Don't really have any news about Epicure. Sorry. I'm waiting till I get official messages from people, not just like rumors and things. They were supposed to be finished with all the court and stuff this week, but I haven't heard anything yet. So we're waiting to see what they're going to do. I do know that Longevity is going to go ahead and manufacture anyways in Canada. That's what I hear. So we'll be on Canadian soil and all that. But they're going to pick and choose which ones they want to make to kind of align with how they are. So, hey, Kathy. So I don't know for sure if it'll be the things you like. I don't know if it'll be the top sellers. I really don't know. I assume, but I can't say. So basically, in the interim, I'm just going to continue with what I'm doing. I want to try something else. Of course, as you know, I need to be able to cook at home and not have to worry about sodium and MSG and all that in my food. And if I can get away from dairy and get away from gluten, I will. So that's in essence why I'm trying Spice Affair. They're pretty clean on non-GMO. No MSG, low in sodium, low in sugar. They actually do pride themselves on having the lowest amount of sugar in their seasonings, and also being sustainable. And then and doing mostly gluten free. So seem pretty good. And of course, they are Canadian from Montreal, so you know. But I will warn you, they are Mediterranean-based people, so therefore their flavor profile is stronger. So it's a lot more potent than what Epicure was, because Epicure was more for like the masses, and this is for more of like Mediterranean or um, Middle Eastern kind of cooking. So it's much more flavorful, aka why the tzatziki was really strong and reminded us more of like being in a restaurant, which is awesome. Don't get me wrong, we loved it, but it was in that concept. So if that's what you're looking for, they're the right length, the right angle. Of course, there's other ones you can try out there. You know, you don't have to try these ones. You could try whatever you find in the grocery store if you want. I know Farm Boy has them, their own brand. You can get some of these things in the stores. Um, but with me, you get the free shipping, obviously online with the Spice Affair. Sorry, ooh, I think I breathed in a little too much. And also get you 10% off. So like whatever you want to do, basically. Um, I think that's it for news. Yeah. I don't know. Anyway, have a great weekend. And I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.